All right, we're back. Got the 351 Cleveland. Plan today is to get it all torn down and to the machine shop by tomorrow. Chris, we have
Hey there.
we have plans now to get this car to Woodward.
That's our deal.
So-
we're going to Woodward.
So,
Which most find utterly ridiculous and absurd.
considering we're at the beginning of May now, we got to get moving. So, getting this thing.
So what we got here is probably a 1970 351 Cleveland.
You couldn't see it that well when we had it in the out of the pile of engines. You really couldn't get a good look at it.
But it is, like I said, a 1970 DO part number Cleveland that we were told it came out of a Cougar, which probably makes sense. It came out of a Cougar, or it came out of a Mustang, or it came out of a Torino, but it is a DO part number. So, which is a thrill because they're really hard to find. This one, the bores are rusty. I mean, it's rusty. It was sitting outside. But, like I said, they're hard to find. So, it's pretty exciting. We got it for really cheap.
And again, I think even if we had to take the sandblaster to that to get those walls done, cleaned up enough to get those pistons out, I don't think it's going to be that bad.
So, but we just pulled the oil pan bolts out. We're going to pull the pan off and see what the internals look like. There is worrisome because there are some holes in the oil pan, which is never really a good sign.
I noticed these up here, but I did not notice this when we.
So the oil pan's obviously trash, but so after this break, we're gonna pull this oil pan off and see what kind of condition the internals are in. Need some gloves.
All right, so last couple bolts here.
The last two bolts. Take this oil pan off right here.
What the hell is that?
What is living inside of this motor?
Oh my God! Did you have any expectation? Holy shit.
Yeah, I don't even know what's salvageable out of that.
What's...
Look at the crank, dude. The crank is so pitted.
Oh my God. What... I think this is mice? What the hell?
What kind of mouse? Look at that. It's gone through that hole there.
Oh my God.
Oh, frickin' cluster, man. This is very disheartening.
Well.
Very disheartening. What do you want for $100? You know what I mean?
I mean,
it's not even worth that in scrap. Maybe we could keep it as I don't know. I don't even want to clean that thing, man.
I mean, we'd have to throw the pressure washer on it or something.
Toxic stuff here.
I mean, who knows what the hell this...
How much stuff is down inside of there? Holy cow, man.
All right, well, so plans have definitely changed here. This is not going to a machine shop. I mean... I mean, I suppose if this was some super rare motor, I'm sure we could save it.
I don't even know what the oil screen's in, dude. There's not a screen in the oil screen. Oh, it's still there, but it's wasted. Man. I don't know if I have one of those. Dude, that thing's wasted.
You don't think we could sandblast it or do anything to save this thing? Well, if anybody's looking for a boat anchor, comment below.
This is a less than ideal situation.
I feel bad that we left Jose and John out of the fun and games here. I'm sure at least one of them would have puked.
The reveal. The reveal.
Oh, man.
Hell.
Well,
What a freaking mess.
well, maybe we will get the pressure washer out and try to clean this up just to see what's lurking underneath there. But at this point, it doesn't look good.
That would be an understatement.
We do have the transmission to deal with too. I don't know if we should just jump on that and go for the backup motor. Alright, so there is another option here. There's a backup motor hiding in here somewhere. It was set aside for the Mach 1. We're going to try to unearth that and see what kind of shape it's in. This is another project for down the road. Little preview for you. This car does need a little bit of work, but if you notice the color there, this car was Panther Pink. And so it will be again at some time. While we're waiting for Chris to get the jump box on the Mustang. The Trailblazer, 06 Trailblazer SS, all-wheel drive. Going to be another one of our projects. May need a trans. The motor's already been built, but we may do some stuff to that too. It's just another thing we'll do probably when we hit a lull on parts for the other. And I'll have to see what we're gonna do there. Enough, especially in Ohio winters. Like this. This is why we pulled it out in the first place. The backup motor, probably in a little better shape than that one. I guess we'll find out. So again, another one of the projects. Finish the interior on the Mustang. We'll This may be an after Woodward
Oh yeah, most definitely.
project, finishing the interior.
Those rims are going to Woodward.
You think these wheels are going to go on the other car?
They are for sure. Well, I don't really want to do it, but here's what it is. I need it. Oh, we're sunk.
It's not in fantastic shape either, but it certainly looks a little better than the other one at this point.
Yeah, it ain't pretty, but they're gonna bore it anyway. So all I gotta do is get that piston out of there.
Don't try this at home, kids. What do you do when the piston's just stuck in there? You do whatever you can to bust it to hell free. Look at all that shit flying out of there.
I'm gonna go to like tip it. Oh wait.